Your business is your passion and responsibility. You've worked hard and invested everything to help it grow and prosper. But circumstances have arrived that make it difficult for you to manage your business. Instead, you find yourself managing the checkbook and surviving with inadequate resources. Trade creditors are stretched thin and demanding cash on delivery. Your lenders are threatening to call the note, and you fear bankruptcy may be just around the corner. Time and resources are running low, and your business needs options, fast. Equity Partners is a middle-market investment banking firm that produces real options to provide you time and money to address the impending crisis. With over 30 years of experience using a proven process and drawing on thousands of professional connections, they quickly find solutions for middle-market businesses to survive and thrive. Their exceptional success record shows they can help remove the doubt around a business's future with a much improved balance sheet and usually with management and employees maintaining their positions. Begin with a confidential conversation. Through their process, Equity Partners reviews your business's current state and quickly uncovers the best solutions, whether it be traditional investment banking solutions such as refinancing or a sale of the business, or through a direct investment from Equity Partners. Certain businesses may qualify for this unique direct investment option, where Equity Partners injects its own cash to augment or replace your existing lender, creating the breathing room you need to maneuver and manage a turnaround or to properly run an M&A process. You may qualify for direct investment if your annual revenue is between $5 and $200 million, and your current lender has a lien on at least one of these assets. Equity Partners provides the best option for you, relieving creditor pressures, restructuring the balance sheet, and moving your business forward properly funded. Don't wait until you've lost control of the process and your business is damaged beyond repair. Begin exploring solutions by scheduling a confidential consultation today.